Are you tired of dealing with irritated or dry facial skin, even after using so-called gentle soaps? It might be time to take a closer look at the ingredients you're unknowingly applying every day on your face. In this video, we'll uncover why the average store-bought bar soap could be the culprit behind your skincare woes, particularly for your face. From hormone disruptors to harsh cleaning agents, many commercial bar soaps contain harmful chemicals that can wreak havoc on your skin. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose safe, nourishing cleansers and soaps for your face. We'll also highlight organic options and high-quality ingredients for healthy, radiant skin. Stay tuned as we reveal the 8 ingredients to avoid on your face. Welcome to Lean Body Optimal. You're on a journey to optimal health and wellness, and we're right here with you. So let's talk about the ingredients. When it comes to skincare, many people assume that all soaps are created equal. After all, the primary purpose of soap is to cleanse the skin, right? However, the reality is far more complex. Commercial bar soaps often contain a cocktail of harmful chemicals that can wreak havoc on your skin, especially when used on the delicate facial area. 1. Parabens, the hormone disruptors. Parabens are a class of preservatives commonly found in commercial bar soaps. These chemicals possess estrogen-like properties that have been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer and other hormonal imbalances. When absorbed through the skin, parabens can disrupt the natural functioning of our endocrine system, leading to elevated cell division and the potential development of tumors. Anything you put on the skin gets absorbed into the body, so it's essential to be aware of the products you use and their potential effects. Choosing paraben-free products can help minimize these risks and promote overall health. Additionally, opting for natural preservatives or organic skincare alternatives can further reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. By making informed choices, you can better protect your skin and your health. 2. Formaldehyde, a carcinogenic concern. Another preservative found in many commercial bar soaps is formaldehyde. This chemical has been classified as a carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Carcinogens, meaning it has the potential to cause cancer-related health issues. Formaldehyde can also damage the immune system and trigger allergic reactions on the skin. Prolonged exposure to formaldehyde can lead to chronic health problems, including respiratory issues and skin irritation. Moreover, even low levels of formaldehyde exposure can cause symptoms such as watery eyes, coughing, and burning sensations in the throat. To protect yourself, it's crucial to read ingredient labels and opt for products that are free from harmful preservatives like formaldehyde. Enjoying the video? Then please make sure to click the like button below, subscribe, share it with your friends and help the channel, and for more videos. 3. Synthetic fragrances, a cocktail of unknowns. The term fragrance on a commercial bar soap's ingredient list is often used as a catch-all for a complex blend of synthetic chemicals. These fragrances can contain a wide range of potentially harmful compounds that may cause allergies, respiratory distress, dermatitis, and even reproductive health problems. The exact chemical makeup of these fragrances is often considered a trade secret, meaning manufacturers are not required to disclose the individual ingredients used. This lack of transparency makes it difficult for consumers to make informed decisions about the products they use on their skin. Furthermore, some of these synthetic fragrance compounds, such as phthalate, have been linked to endocrine disruption, which can interfere with hormone function and potentially lead to long-term health issues. Given these risks, it is advisable to choose products that use natural, non-synthetic fragrances or are labeled as fragrance-free, to minimize exposure to these hidden hazards. 4. Phthalate, hormone disruptors in disguise. Phthalate are another group of chemicals often hidden under the fragrance umbrella. These compounds are used to increase the softness and flexibility of plastics, and they have been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer due to their ability to disrupt endocrine functions. 5. Synthetic colors, potential carcinogens. Many commercial bar soaps contain synthetic colors derived from coal tar and petroleum sources. These synthetic dyes are suspected to be human carcinogens, meaning they may contribute to the development of cancer. They can also cause skin irritation and neurological disorders. 6. Triclosan, the antibacterial trap. Triclosan is a widely used antimicrobial chemical in commercial bar soaps, but studies have shown that it offers no additional benefits over regular soap and water. Worse still, triclosan can disrupt endocrine function, leading to reproductive problems, birth defects, and organ toxicity. 7. Sodium lauryl sulfate, a harsh cleaning agent. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, and sometimes its variant ammonium lauryl sulfate, are common lathering agents found in body washes and cleansers. These synthetic chemicals are known for their ability to create a rich lather, which is why they are popular in many cleaning products. However, SLS can be very harsh on the skin, often causing irritation and dryness. While it might be acceptable for use on your body, it is not suitable for the delicate skin on your face. In addition to being found in body washes and cleansers, SLS is also a common ingredient in commercial bar soaps. This powerful cleansing agent is often used in industrial-grade cleaners due to its effectiveness at removing dirt and grease. However, prolonged exposure to SLS can result in severe health issues, including hair loss, organ toxicity, and even carcinogenic effects. Therefore, it is advisable to opt for gentler, SLS-free alternatives, especially for facial care. 8. Propylene glycol, the skin irritant. Many commercial bar soaps also contain propylene glycol, a skin conditioning agent that is also classified as a skin irritant. This chemical has been associated with causing hives, dermatitis, and other undesirable skin reactions. When selecting a cleanser for your facial care routine, it's essential to consider your skin type and any specific concerns you may have. Opt for products formulated with gentle, nourishing ingredients that cater to your individual needs. Castile soap, made from plant-based oils like olive or coconut, is a popular organic option suitable for a wide range of skin types. Known for its mild, non-irritating properties, Castile soap is an excellent choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Goat's milk soap is another excellent organic choice, particularly for those with dry or mature skin. The natural fats and proteins found in goat's milk help nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. Depending on your specific skin concerns, you may also find organic soaps infused with targeted ingredients like essential oils, clays, or botanical extracts. These specialty soaps can address issues such as blemishes, inflammation, or dullness, providing a more tailored cleansing experience. In addition to organic soaps, consider using cleansers with high-quality, natural ingredients. Look for cleansers containing aloe vera, which soothes and hydrates the skin, or chamomile, known for its anti-inflammatory and calming effects. Tea tree oil is excellent for its antibacterial properties, making it ideal for acne-prone skin. Hyaluronic acid can help retain moisture, while niacinamide can improve skin texture and reduce redness. By choosing products with these beneficial ingredients, you can ensure your skin stays healthy, radiant, and free from unnecessary harm. Remember, your face deserves the best care, so always opt for gentle, nourishing products tailored to your skin's unique needs. To wrap up, remember that what you put on your skin matters. By opting for organic, natural soap alternatives and gentle cleansers, you're not only cleansing your skin but also nourishing it with gentle ingredients. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe so you never miss any videos, and click on any of the links below in the description to download free reports or links to solutions and to our website.